Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sophi B, and today I have a special treat in store for you because hubby and I are going to share his curry goat recipe. So let's begin. So we first want to start by cleaning our meat with lime juice and water and then season it. Next, we're going to add our oil to our pot and put in some Jamaican curry powder. Next, we're going to put our meat in the pot and we're going to make sure our stove is on medium to high temperature. As it cooks, we're going to slowly add water periodically throughout the cooking session. This is the brand of curry powder that we used, and it comes from Jamaica. So just a quick commotion for the hair. This style gives me early 2000s nostalgia. After about 25 minutes has passed, this is what the curry goat starts to look like. So delicious. Because curry goat is a dish that is prepared slow and steady, I'm going to have myself a snack in the meantime. I'm having some sardines and some buttery elbow pasta with some barbecue sauce. My little ones love stealing mommy's food. So this is one of my favorite brands of barbecue sauce. I love it because it's made with brown sugar and molasses instead of high fructose corn syrup. A lot of barbecue sauce is made with high fructose corn syrup or artificial sweeteners. So I love this for the fact that it doesn't use that. So I'm just going to put some on top like this. I know this combo may seem strange to some, but I love it. It's delicious. So while the curry goat makes, hubby is just making sure to stir and add water periodically. So here he is, the man of the hour. My man, my man, my man, my baby, my babe. We also made basmati rice, eggplant, and broccoli to go with our curry goat as sides. Now, these aren't traditionally Jamaican sides. However, we are a Jamaican family, so we're just mixing two cultures together. To make our eggplant, we seasoned it and coated it with cornmeal, and then we fried it in a little bit of oil, and we steamed our broccoli. And this is the complete meal. It was absolutely delicious, and of course I had to do my happy dance. Kudos to hubby, you did an amazing job. Came out super delicious and nutritious. 10 out of 10, hands down. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Be blessed.